Good day. This is Mary Reeves on the overnight watch at the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center in New York. It's about 06Z on September 12th, 2022, and today I'll be giving a brief weather discussion on the North Atlantic Ocean Basin. First, taking a quick look at satellite imagery. As you can see, we do have a low, which was formerly Hurricane Earl south of Newfoundland, as well as a low to the west of Portugal, which was formerly Danielle, as well as a area of invest that is expected to move off of the western coast of Africa in the next 12 hours and has the potential for development in the 5-day range for the eastern portions of the tropical Atlantic. Now moving into the 5-day tropical outlook by the National Hurricane Center in Miami. They do highlight that low chance that I mentioned that is expected to move off of Western Africa in the next 12 hours or so, and that's expected to have a 20% chance through 5 days as it moves towards the west northwest over the next day or so, over the next couple of days into a area of marginally favorable conditions. Kind of taking a look at those conditions, first starting out with the sea surface temperature analysis. As you can see, we do have this marginally favorable area of sea surface temperatures just on that mark of the 26.5 degrees of sea surface temperatures, with the warmer temperatures just off the coast of Western Africa, with cooler temperatures to the west of there, which is expected to be along the path near the Cape Verde Islands for the system. Now looking at the wind shear for that area as well, as you can see for that region just off of the western coast of Africa, we do have a area of unfavorable shear, so the system will be moving into a region of unfavorable shear as it does move off to the west northwest over the next 5 days. Lastly, taking a look at the air masses, this kind of shows the moisture that's available in the region, and as you can see based on the highlighted messages showing of the types of air masses, this appears to be a more tropical, warm, dry air mass, as we do have that dry air off the coast of Africa, with the moisture being more towards the central portions of the basin. So now let's go into the actual forecast. This is using the GFS 0Z run on September the 12th. First starting out at the 0Z time frame, you can see we do have what was formerly Hurricane Earl south of Newfoundland, which was shown on the satellite imagery, as well as we do have Danielle to the west of Portugal as well. Those two systems are expected to weaken over the next several days as Earl moves towards the east and weakens, and Danielle moves as well towards the east and dissipates just off of the coast of Portugal. Not expected to be anything of imminent concern. For Earl, we will have an area of enhanced seas through the 13th. That does begin to ease by the 14th as the system does continue to weaken over the next couple of days. Now zooming into the tropical region, showing the area of concern with that. So just off of Dakar. So right now, as you can see, around 12Z today, that system does move off of the western coast of Africa and does begin to deepen over the next couple of days, but as you can tell, it is pretty weak at this time, but it is something that the Fleetweather Routing Center will continue to monitor over the next several days with any vessels in that region. Thank you for watching. This has been Mary Reeves with the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center in New York with your September 12th North Atlantic weather discussion, reminding you until next time, stay connected and safe.